So the best way to think of blockchain is as a re-implementation of the internet. The World Wide Web gave us a super highway of information, but it didn't turn out to be so useful in the world of transactions because you've no idea whether the data that you find on the internet is good. Just think about the amount of misinformation, false news on the internet. We need a better model. So let's start with identity. You, me, companies, we all have to take responsibility for managing our own data, our own identity on the blockchain. However, with that duty comes the right to monetize that data, the right to control how that data is used. This is the foundation for democracy moving forward. Combine that with asset provenance. We now have full provenance of asset life cycles, both during their manufacture and their afterlife. And we have the ability, using clever technologies like IoT and crypto anchors, to create digital twins of physical assets. So we can trade in digital representations confident it is exactly the same asset. And thirdly, we have payments. The ability to transfer value and ownership at the same time, massively increasing the potential velocity of transactions and enabling us to transact in microtransactions. Very important. So what do these three things do? Well, first of all, they create a whole new world of marketplaces where we can trade these digital assets peer-to-peer without the need for an intermediary, where we can do so at a microtransaction level and where we can tokenize just about anything of value. So whole new marketplaces will evolve, whole new business models will evolve. And all of this economic model needs to be underpinned by a new incentive model to change behavior on a massive scale where everybody changes their behavior a little bit to create this new blockchain internet economy. And to drive this, we need new forms of equity, new forms of incentive. So this is where utility tokens, implemented properly, not an ICO here now, but implemented with proper business rigor, this is where we have the opportunity to build a whole new world.